The financial app space is crowded, and a lot of them look similar on the surface. But when it comes to PocketGuard, a major point of difference is its pricing. So, what exactly are PocketGuard's pricing plans? Let's break it down. PocketGuard has a simple pricing structure with a free version and a premium plan called PocketGuard Plus. The free version is a great way to get a feel for the app's core features. It allows you to link two financial accounts and create a limited number of spending categories and budgets. You can track your income, bills, and spending to see the famous In My Pocket calculation, which is PocketGuard's standout feature telling you exactly how much money you have left to spend after all your essentials are accounted for. Now, if you want to take your budgeting to the next level, you'll need PocketGuard Plus. The Plus version gives you a lot more functionality. You can link an unlimited number of accounts, create unlimited categories and budgets, and set up a debt payoff plan. It also includes features like subscription tracking, the ability to import and export transactions, and bill negotiation services to help you save money on your recurring bills. PocketGuard Plus costs $12.99 per month if you choose to pay monthly, or you can opt for the annual plan, which is billed at $74.99, which brings the cost down to about $6.25 per month. The annual plan is clearly the better value if you're committed to using the app for the long term. What's really interesting is that PocketGuard occasionally offers a lifetime membership for a one-time fee. This isn't always available on their website, but users have reported seeing offers for it inside the app for around $80 or more. If you plan on using the app for several years, this could be an incredible deal. To help you decide, PocketGuard offers a 7-day free trial of PocketGuard Plus. This gives you plenty of time to explore the premium features and see if they're the right fit for your financial goals. So, whether you start with the free version or jump into the trial, PocketGuard has flexible options to help you get started on your budgeting journey.